Hi all, NCERT Class 8 Geography Chapter Industries Balance. In India, iron and steel industries has developed taking advantage of raw materials, cheap labor, transport and market. Raw material, cheap labor, transport and market. All the important steel producing centers such as Philai, Durgapur, Burnpur, Jamshedpur, Rourkela, Bokaro are situated in a region that spread over 4 states. The states are West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Bhadravati and Vijayanagar in Karnataka, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Salem in Tamil Nadu are other important steel centers utilizing local resources. Jamshedpur. Before 1947, there was only one iron and steel plant in the country. It was Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited (TISCO). Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited (TISCO). It was privately owned. After independence, the government took the initiative and set up several iron and steel plants. TISCO was started in 1907 at Sakshi. TISCO was started in 1907 at Sakshi, near the confluence of the river Subarnarekha and Kharkai in Jharkhand. Later on, Sangchi was renamed as Jamshedpur. Geographically, Jamshedpur is the most conveniently situated iron and steel center in the country. Sangchi was chosen to set up steel plant for several reasons. This place was only 32 kilometers away from the Kalamai station on the Bengal-Nagpur railway line. It was close to the iron ore, coal and manganese depots as well as to Kolkata, which provides a large market. TISCO gets coal from Kharia coalfield and iron ore, limestone, dolomite and manganese from Odisha and Chhattisgarh. The Kharkai and Subarnarekha rivers ensure sufficient water supply. Government initiatives provided adequate capital for its later development. So, TISCO developed a lot because all the factors influencing the location of industry are available for TISCO. In Jamshedpur, several other industries plants were set up after TISCO. They produce chemical, locomotive parts, agricultural equipment, machinery, timber, cable and wire. The development of the iron and steel industry opened the door to rapid industrial development in India. Almost all sectors of Indian industry depend heavily on the iron and steel industry for their basic infrastructure. The iron and steel industry consists of large integrated steel plants as well as mini steel mills. It also includes secondary producers, rolling mills and ancillary industries. Pittsburgh. It is an important city of the United States of America. The steel industry at Pittsburgh enjoys locational advantages. Some of the raw materials such as coal is available locally, while the iron ore comes from the iron mines in Minnesota, after 1,500 km from Pittsburgh. Between these mines and Pittsburgh is one of the world's best routes for shipping or cheaply. The famous Great Lakes Waterway. The famous Great Lakes Waterway is situated between Pittsburgh and Minnesota. Trains carry the ore from the Great Lakes of Pittsburgh area, and the rivers near it provide adequate water supply. Today, very few of the large steel mills are in Pittsburgh itself. They are located in the valley of Monongahela and Allegheny rivers above Pittsburgh and along the Ohio River below it. Finished steel is transported to the market by both the land and water routes. The Pittsburgh area has many factories other than steel mills. These use steel as their raw material to make many different products such as railroad equipment, heavy machinery and rails. So like Like Jamshedpur in India, Pittsburgh is one of the most important iron steel producing company in United States of America. Cotton textile industry. Weaving cloth from yarn is an ancient art. Cotton, wool, silk, jute, flax have been used for making cloth. The textile industry can be divided on the basis of raw material used in them. Fibers are the raw material of textile industry. Fibers can be natural or man-made. Natural fibers are obtained from wool, silk, cotton, linen, and jute. Man-made fibers include nylon, polyester, acrylic, and rayon. The cotton textile industry is one of the oldest industries in the world. The cotton textile industry is one of the oldest industries in the world. Till the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century, cotton cloth was made using hand spinning techniques and looms. In 18th century, power looms facilitated the development of cotton textile industry, first in Britain and later in other parts of the world. First in Britain. Today, India, China, Japan, and USA are the most important producers of cotton textiles. Today, India, China, Japan, and the USA are important producers of cotton textiles. India has a glorious tradition of producing excellent quality cotton textile. Before the British rule, Indian handspun and hand-woven cloth already had a wide market. The muslins of Dharka, chintz of Masulipatanam, calicoes of Calicut, and gold-wrought cotton of Berhampur, Surat, and Vadodara were known worldwide for their quality and design. But the production of hand-woven cotton textile were expensive and time-consuming. Hence, traditional cotton textile industry would not face the competition from the new textile mills of the West, which provides cheap and good quality fabrics through mechanized industrial units. The first successful mechanized textile mill was established in Mumbai in 1854. The first successful mechanized textile mill was established in Mumbai in 1854. The warm, moist climate, a part of the importing machinery, availability of raw material, and skilled labor result in rapid expansion of the industry in the region. Initially, this industry flourished in the state of Maharashtra and Gujarat because of the favorable humid climate. But today, humidity can be created artificially, and raw cotton is a pure and not weight-losing raw material, so this industry has spread to other parts. Coimbatore, Kanpur, Chennai, Ahmadabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, Ludhiana, Puducherry, and Panipat are some of the other important centers. Ahmadabad. It is located in Gujarat on the banks of the Sabarmati River. The first mill was established in Ahmadabad 1959. It soon became the second largest textile city of India after Mumbai. Ahmadabad is the second largest textile city of India after Mumbai. Ahmadabad was therefore often referred to as the Manchester of India, Ahmadabad. Favorable locational factors were responsible for the development of the textile industry in Ahmadabad. Ahmadabad is situated very close to cotton growing area. This ensures easy availability of raw material. The climate is ideal for spinning and weaving. The flat terrain and easy availability of land is suitable for the establishment of the mills. The densely populated states of Gujarat and Maharashtra provide both skilled and semi-skilled labor. Well-developed road and railway network permits easy transport of textiles to different parts of the country, thus providing easy access to the market. Mumbai port nearby facilitates import of machinery and export of cotton textile. But in the recent years, Ahmadabad textile mill have been having some problems. Several textile mills have closed down. This is primarily due to the emergence of new textile centers in the country as well as non-upgradable of machines and technology in the mills of Ahmadabad. Next, Osaka. It is an important textile center of Japan. It is also known as the Manchester of Japan. As Ahmadabad is known as the Manchester of India, Osaka is known as the Manchester of Japan. The textile industry The textile industry developed in Osaka due to several geographical factors. The extensive plain around Osaka ensures that land was easily available for the growth of cotton mills. Warm, humid climate is as well as suited to spinning and weaving. The river Ryodo provides sufficient water for the mills. Labor is easily available. Location of port facilities, import of raw material, and for exporting textiles. The textile industry at Osaka develops completely upon imported raw materials. Cotton is imported from Egypt, India, China, and USA. The finished product is mostly imported and has a good market due to good quality and low price. Through it is one of the most important textile cities of the country. Of late, the cotton textile industry of Osaka has been replaced by other industries such as iron and steel machinery, shipbuilding, automobiles, electrical equipment, and cement. So Ahmedabad is known as the Manchester of India, Osaka, Manchester of Japan. Thank you.